Hello everyone, Barb here. Well, today we have, I guess we'll call it card number 3 in what is developing into a 4-card series. We started with this card here, and this was a circle challenge. From there, we went to this card, and this was using up those circles that cut out of this card. And now I'm continuing on because in making these cards, I used 2 6x6 pieces of patterned paper. And I thought I would go through and use up that pattern paper instead of throwing it away or maybe just sticking it in a pile somewhere. So I thought I would show you what I had in mind. We are using the Hello out of the, let's see, Honey Bunny Card Making Workshop stamp kit, stamp and thin cut set. Happy Snail Trails. I picked out this cute little snail. I did use my infinity dies to cut the black and the white circles. The black one is 2 3/4. The white circle is 2 1/2. The Lagoon paper is 2 1/4 by 5 1/4, and I believe it's Nectarine, which is a retired close to my heart color, 2 1/4 by 4 3/4. So then, yes, I used these circles from the Hero Arts Infinity Dice, and then I just got these. They're called the Nested Circle Borders, and I pulled out this guy right here. So they're all separate. They do cut out the middle, and then you get this little leftover, which is really cool. So I cut another one actually out of black, so I'd get this black circle that fit perfect in there. And then I have this other middle from the gold glitter paper, and I will be able to use that on another card. And get this out of the way. I already did my stamping, and I used the VersaFine Onyx black ink. We can just quickly assemble the pieces. I've got the Lagoon, and I am eyeballing it, not measuring, just plopping it down. Just sort of measure with my eyeballs to make sure that this margin is about the same and that we're about the same top and bottom. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just fine. We can put down the black circle and sort of in the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, we're not going for perfection. We're just going for done. Here I do want to try to get the word straight across there. You could take time to do a little coloring of the image. I'm not going to today, but you certainly could. I'm going to use some glue. I think a pair of tweezers to hold this. And I'm just gonna hopefully get some glue to go on here. Just like that. And it will just sit right around the outside. There we go. It should fit perfectly because I had cut that black is the middle out of this one, so it should nest just right. And it's looking pretty good. I love the little scallopy details like that. I think that's really cute. And that's a quick assembly. Look at that. Kept it flat. Didn't pop anything up, though you certainly could. So there's card number 3. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.